Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox game error, which is you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior and error code 268. So let us go and see how to fix this Roblox error code 268. For that, just open this PC and C drive, then open users and your username, open it and you can see app data. If it is not showing, just click on view and check the hidden items and just open the app data folder and there you can see local, just open it. Then you can see Roblox folder, just open it and click on versions and versions folder. Then you can see Roblox Player Launcher, just right click on it and click on troubleshoot compatibility. It's open program compatibility troubleshooter and it's detecting issues, and click on try recommended settings, click on test the program. You can see it's configuring Roblox and installing. And click on OK. Next. Close. After that, again right click on Roblox Player Launcher, click on Properties, click on Compatibility and here check run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 7 and click Apply and OK. For that, just click on Start menu and click on Settings and click on Apps. In the search box, just type Roblox and select Roblox Player and click on Uninstall. Now the Roblox Player is uninstalling. It's finished, just click OK, select the Roblox Studio, click on uninstall. Now the Roblox Studio uninstalling, it's finished, click on OK. For that, just log into your Roblox account and select any game, click on play. Now you can see Roblox is now loading and click on download and install Roblox. Now the Roblox is downloaded and click on install. Now Roblox is started installation. It's configuring and the installation finished, click on OK. For checking, just open Roblox Player icon and it's opening the Roblox player window. There you can choose the game. I just choose speed run. Click on open. Click on play button. Now the Roblox is loading. Now the Roblox player window is opened. Now you can see the Roblox is opened, speedrun 4, and now you can play the Roblox without any error. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.